Hello students, today we will all be learning about the ketolysis. In this, the beta hydroxybutyrate is being converted into acetoacetate in the presence of beta hydroxybutyrate dehydrogenase, and the small reactions also occur in this. NAD plus changes to NADH plus H plus. Then the acetoacetate in the presence of thiophorates changes into acetoacetyl CoA, and in this, the succinyl CoA changes into succinate. Then this acetoacetyl CoA in the presence of thiolase forms two molecules of acetyl CoA, and CoASH act as a coenzyme. The ketone bodies, being water soluble, are easily transported from liver to various tissues. The two ketone bodies, acetoacetate and beta hydroxybutyrate, serve as important source of energy for the peripheral tissues such as skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, renal cortex. The tissue which lack mitochondria, however, can't utilize ketone bodies. The production of ketone bodies and the utilization become more significant when glucose is in short supply to the tissues in starvation and diabetes mellitus. During prolonged starvation, ketone bodies are the major fuel source for the brain and other parts of central nervous system. It should be noted that the ability of the brain to utilize fatty acids for energy is very limited. Reactions of ketone bodies. Beta hydroxybutyrate is first converted to acetoacetate and metabolized. Acetoacetate is activated to acetoacetyl CoA by a mitochondrial enzyme thiophrase. The coenzyme is donated by succinyl CoA as an intermediate in citric acid cycle. Thiophrase is absent in liver, hence ketone bodies are not utilized by liver. Thiolase cleaves acetoacetyl CoA to form two molecules of acetyl CoA. Thank you.